let's learn Wine, Beer, Whiskey. It's choreographed by Dan Albro. It is a 48 count, 4-wall, intermediate level line dance with a tag restart on wall 6 after 8 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag restart, and then we're going to go through and dance the entire dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Wine, Beer, Whiskey. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, right, left. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side and place your left heel into the diagonal and hold. You're going to step down on your left and touch your right next to your left. We're going to step our right foot to the right side and you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, placing your left heel forward to face 9 o'clock. Step your left next to your right and touch your right next to your left. We're going to end this section by clapping our hands. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your 2 walks. 1, 2, and 3. Hold 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do down and dirty. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side. And as you do that, you're going to slightly bend your knees and you're going to bump your hip right, left, right, and you're going to hold. You're now going to stomp your left next to your right. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. Make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 12 o'clock, and do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, facing 9 o'clock. You're doing your down and dirty. So it's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do cross points. So you're going to step your right foot forward and slightly over your left, point your left toe to the left side. Step your left foot forward and slightly over your right, and point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to do turning heel switches. So you're going to place your right heel forward, quickly step your right next to your left, and you're going to start a quarter turn over your right shoulder. As you step your right next to your left and place your left heel forward, you're now facing about 130. You're going to finish your turn as you step your left next to your right and place your right heel forward to face 3 o'clock, and then you're going to clap your hands. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your cross point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Section 4, we're going to do a quarter toe strut, turning over our right shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn as you touch your right toe forward. Drop your right heel to face 6 o'clock. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder as you touch your left toe to the left side. Drop your left heel to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to do a quarter turning sailor step. So you're going to cross your right behind your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder as you step your left foot to the left side and then step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to stomp our feet left, right, slightly out at shoulder distance, left, right. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our heel. You're going to do your toe strut. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 5, we're going to sway our hips left, right. You're now going to do quick sways left, right, left. Cross rock your right over your left, recover back onto your left foot, and shuffle to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our stomps. You're going to do your sway. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 6, in our final section of the dance, we're going to cross rock our left over our right, recover back onto your right foot. We're going to do a quarter turn shuffle over our left shoulder as we shuffle left, right, left to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to step, stomp your right foot slightly forward, and we're going to bounce our heels to make a half turn over our left shoulder. So you're going to bounce your heels 3 times. That final time, you're going to put your weight onto your left foot. So we're going to bounce our heels, bounce, 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 putting your weight onto your left foot, and you're ending the dance facing 3 o'clock so that you can go on to the next wall. Now, a lot of people, when they do these bounces, they like to kind of bend their knees and lean into this right foot. So they stomp and they bend and they bounce, and on that final bounce, they push onto the left foot and then they start over again. So that's some styling that you can kind of add on because it does fit the music. So let's try that with some counts. We just shuffle to the right, so you're going to do your cross rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your walks. Walk, walk, step, heel, step, touch, step, heel, step, touch, clap, step to the side, bump, bump, hold, stomp, quarter, half, coaster, step, step, point, now your heel switches, heel, step, heel, clap, quarter toe strut, quarter sailor, step, stomp, out, sway, left, right, left, cross rock, recover, side shuffle, cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle, now your stomp, bounce, weights left. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your walks. 1, 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's talk about the tag restart. The tag restart is going to happen on wall 6. When you're dancing wall 5, the music is going to change and you're going to hear this tag restart coming. So we'll be facing 3 o'clock. We're going to dance the first 8 counts and then we will talk about the tag. So weight is on your left, starting with your walk. So it's walk, walk, side, heel, hold, step, touch, step, heel, step, touch, clap. Right here, you are going to have your tag. Your tag doesn't really require any movement. What I like to do is kind of step to the side. You're going to bring both hands up like you're questioning, so palms facing up. And all you're going to do is yell, "But who would wanna?" And then you're going to restart the dance. Walk, walk, step, heel. That is your whole tag. So you're just going to say that, but who would wanna? Walk, walk, step, heel. That is the whole thing. Now the dance does end facing 12 o'clock. You'll do your cross rock, and then I just step to the side because this is where the music ends at the very end of the dance. So you'll be finishing section 5 with your cross rock, and you just won't complete the shuffle to the side. You'll just kind of step to the side, and that is when the music will end. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance all 7 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tag restart into the next wall. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walk, so it's walk, walk, step, heel. Hold, step, touch, step, heel, step, touch, clap. Now it's your down and dirty. Hip, hip, hold, stomp, quarter, half, coaster, step, cross point, heel, step, heel, clap, quarter toe strut, quarter sailor, step, stomp, out, hip, left, cross rock, recover, side shuffle, cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle, now stomp and bounce, half, turn, walk, 1, 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, step, heel. Hold, step, touch, step, heel, step, touch, shake, shake, hold, stomp, quarter, half, coaster, step, cross point, heel, step, heel, clap, quarter toe strut, quarter sailor, step, stomp, out, out, hip left, right, left, cross rock, recover, side shuffle, cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle, stomp and half bounce. Now walk 1, 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, side heel, hold, step, heel, step, touch, back down, dirty, with your stomp, quarter, half, coaster steps, cross point, heel, step, heel, back, quarter toe strut, quarter sailor, step, stomp, out, out, now sway, cross rock, recover, side shuffle, cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle, step and bounce. We're going to dance the first 8 counts and add on our tag. 1, 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. But who would wanna walk, walk, step, heel, hold, step, heel, step, touch, back down, dirty, with your stomp, quarter, half, coaster step, cross point, heel, step, heel, back, quarter toe strut, quarter sailor, step, stomp, out, out, now hip, cross rock, recover, and side. And this is where the dance will end. Completely, the music will start to fade out, and you will finish the dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the very demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on the dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn wine, beer, whiskey. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.